everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Qgebeha, the Empire, from the 24th to the 28th of July 2023 on Monday. Bulelwa hasn't given up on Thulani being alive. Thulani and Anathi resurfaces alive at Qgebeha. Nontle goes back home. She begins grieving on Tuesday. Thulani and Anathi realize just how hard their new life is going to be. Nontle embarks on a journey of keeping Thulani's memory alive. Bulelwa continues to spiral as she battles her grief on Wednesday. Nontle faces a roadblock in her quest to name a street after Thulani. Anathi and Thulani are concerned. Bulelwa is unreachable on this day. Thulani and Anathi narrowly escape the jaw of a shark. Nobomi is done with her mother and tells her as much. Funeka is forced to accept a ridiculous idea to keep the peace in her home on Friday. Thulani and Anathi keep running. Nontle talks about her pain and ends up healing someone. Bulelwa will try anything to bring Thulani back. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Hello, everyone. Welcome back.